All right, so no picture. This is going to happen sometimes in here. The big thing with no picture is that means the picture isn't really important to the problem, and it won't matter necessarily how you draw it. But keep in mind, since I just randomly drew that triangle, it is not at all the scale. All right, so BC is 8, that's over here. AC is 13, that's over here. And angle C is 50, that's over here. And it says find this distance right here. All right, so again, if you look at this problem, and hopefully you're at least seeing a little bit of what's going on here. All right, I have these two sides, and then I have the angle in between them. That is a dead giveaway that this is potentially a law of cosines problem. Are there other problems it could be? Sure. All right, but it's pretty common that if you see this kind of setup, you're going to have a law of cosines problem. All right, now even better, it wants this side right here, which is across from the angle that I know. So that means this is going to become C. This is already C, so that makes it a little bit easier. All right, I'm looking for the side, so whenever I'm looking for the side, I'm going to use the side version of that, which is this. All right, so I've got that. And now again, my job is to get everything in the right spot. So I don't know the side, which is why I want to use this. A and B are 8 and 13. It doesn't matter what order they go in. And then make sure you put the angle in there. And again, always double check that the side you're finding and the angle you have are opposite each other. It's really easy to get those in the wrong place. So I want to be very, very careful with that. Now, again, I know every single number on the right-hand side of that equation. So I'm going to very carefully put that all into the calculator. So it's 8 squared plus 13 squared minus 2 times 8 times 13 times cosine of 50. All right, so there's everything. Double check it. 8 squared, 13 squared, 2, 8, 13, 50. Because I don't want to, type something in wrong and then get this question wrong just because I, not type something in wrong. Yeah, because I typed something in wrong. All right, so 99.3001. So C squared equals 99 point, that's not what I want, 99.300. Now again, it's not 99, that's what the square it is. I take the square root, that's going to be pretty close to 10. I take the square root there. Be lazy, all right, be lazy. Go up there and grab it like that. So it's going to give me 9.964. Hopefully you're noticing right there that I've got a square and I don't want the squared. All right, so there's my answer, and it says round 2. It doesn't say round 2, so we're just going to go hundredths place, 9.96.